My boyfriend recently started playing golf and just a bunch of different sports and hobbies, you would call it, at our ripe age of 18 and 19. So I got him this sports camera so it can just be a little more fun and he can go back and watch his film and everything. This is what it looks like right here. So you don't have to have a big camera. You can just have this little thing and he can vlog whatever he wants to do with it. It comes with this box right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It comes with a bunch of different things. It comes with a little tripod mount, a bunch of different clips. It comes with a lanyard, a little longer lanyard, the charger, a little screwdriver, and a bunch of different mounts and everything. It is super simple to use, and that's what I love about it because me doing hard things is very rare. So it comes with this little SD drive and it also comes with an SD card. So you can just figure out everything from here. You can put the SD card and then just transfer it on here so you can have it on your computer, your iPad, whatever. I really like this and I think that my boyfriend is gonna like it too. Super simple to use. So if you're looking for a little sports camera, this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kinsey and I'll see you next time.